what's going on, guys? Jacqueline here with Kristen. Today we're going to show you how to make the perfect banana muffins you need in your life for this fall. For this recipe, you're going to need oatmeal, oil, salt, sugar, baking soda, cinnamon, 3 bananas, an egg, and vanilla extract. So let's get into it.
So we're taking this banana, we're gonna just kind of, you can break it up, kind of helps make the smashing process easier.
It would work out better if they were more overripe. I'm just gonna say that right now.
Yeah.
I think they're okay.
But you gotta work with what you got, so.
Alright. Go for it.
Alright.
You got this, girl.
Jacqueline works out more than me, but it's okay. I can still mash a banana.
I'm gonna start on making the flour. So you're gonna need 1.5 cups of oatmeal, grind it up to make oat flour, 1 egg. No way.
Oh.
No way!
Wow. Ew.
That's awesome.
Then your vanilla, 1 teaspoon.
Yeah. Just eyeball it if you want. That's cool.
Just eyeball it.
That's
And
cool.
then olive oil.
Yeah. Get a measuring cup really quick. Do that 1/3 of a cup. Should not have one. That's okay. Use 1 cup and like gas out of it.
Perfect.
1/3 a cup of olive oil.
Looks like a cup, but it's not. It's 1/3 of a cup, okay?
Add our flour now. You ready?
Want me to mix it?
It's okay. Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
You're the expert baker. You tell me.
You just
Obviously,
mix
yes.
it all in one bowl.
1 cup of sugar. Here's where
Just gonna do it? Okay.
Yeah. All of it.
Adding the cinnamon. What the heck? Just screw it off. Oh,
Nice.
well,
Make it
just how we like it.
A pinch of salt too. Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Almost there.
I like when muffins look dark too.
Right?
Because they look healthier.
It's so wholesome, guys.
This is a wholesome muffin.
Unbelievably wholesome.
Okay.
Think they're mixed?
I think it's good. You
All right.
wanna give it a
The whirl here.
whirl there? Yeah.
Feel free to add anything else you want to it, like chocolate chips or pecans.
Raisins, walnuts.
Oh, okay. Carrots.
Yeah.
Protein powder.
Ew. Kale. maybe?
Yeah. Divide your batter up into 12 muffins. And we are gonna pop these muffins in the oven at 375 for 18 to 22 minutes, depending on your oven. Oh. Take a peek. Oh yeah. Almost there.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna test these out. Which one do you want? I want this one. Just going for it.
They smell so good.
They do.
Sorry.
You not like it?
No, it's just on my mouth.
It's good.
It's not bad. Mm-mm.
Alright guys, that concludes the video. Huge shout out to Kristen for making these with me, my expert baker here. So each muffin is 150 calories. I'll also put the macro breakdown right here for you guys in case you care about that. So let me know in the comments below if you try it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.